Okay, so just to explain about the groups, you will be assigned support or accountability groups, and really it's just an effort for you to have another system of support. I sort of think about my sister and I share a login for Beachbody where we do our workouts. So if I haven't logged in that day, my sister might call me and say, hey, you haven't done your workout yet. And it just kind of keeps me in a place where I need to be. And so each week, probably, I will be giving you work to work with your groups, and you can access that work either under groups access, or my groups. I think this is the easiest way. And so for your first assignment, I've asked you to email your whole group. Okay, you'll get points for this. I'm a part of each person's group. Each group, you will, for example, see if I can select all of them at once. Select. And so you will see all the people that will be included in email. Subject will be contact info. And I just want you to reach out to them and send me your contact info. Click submit, and you will be given a decent amount of homework points for that. And so this is a group are people that you can reach out to. There will be a person each week that will be in charge of contacting people who weren't at our virtual meeting, just to check in on them and see how they are doing. You can feel free to contact these people at any time, and hopefully it'll be just a good space to work. And that is groups in a nutshell.